Walk into almost any gun shop in America right now and you'll notice something interesting. A few specific 9mm pistols keep selling out. Today on Gun Authority, we're breaking down the handguns dominating shelves and why so many buyers are choosing them. This video is for educational purposes only and does not promote harm or unsafe use of firearms. Number 10. Beretta APX A1 Carry. When people walk into gun shops looking for an affordable defensive pistol, one compact 9mm keeps surprising buyers in 2026. The Beretta APX A1 Carry. It's one of those handguns that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get reliability, concealability, and solid defensive performance. That's exactly why many shooters say this pistol quietly dominates store shelves, while new buyers wonder why they didn't discover it sooner. The Beretta APX A1 Carry features a 3-inch barrel and an overall length of about 5.6 inches, making it extremely easy to conceal for everyday carry. The pistol weighs roughly 19.8 ounces unloaded, which keeps it comfortable for all-day carry without feeling bulky. Chambered in 9mm, the magazine holds 6 rounds, with extended magazine options available for shooters who want additional capacity. Another major advantage of the APX A1 Carry is its redesigned ergonomics and improved trigger compared to earlier APX models. The aggressive slide serrations make racking easier, and the slim polymer frame provides a secure grip even during rapid follow-up shots. In the United States market, the Beretta APX A1 Carry typically sells between $280 and $320, which explains why so many buyers feel like they discovered a hidden deal after walking into the gun shop. Number 9. Kaniq Mate SFT. If there's a 9mm pistol that keeps surprising buyers the moment they step into a gun shop, it's the Kaniq Mate SFT. In 2026, this handgun has built a reputation for delivering premium performance at a price that makes people look twice at the tag. Many shooters walk in expecting to spend much more, but once they try the Mate SFT, they realize why it's dominating display counters across the United States. The Kaniq Mate SFT features a 4.46-inch barrel with an overall length of around 7.5 inches, giving it excellent balance and accuracy. It weighs about 27.8 ounces unloaded, which helps control recoil and keeps follow-up shots fast and stable. Chambered in 9mm, the standard magazine holds an impressive 18 rounds, offering plenty of capacity for range training or defensive use. One of the biggest reasons shooters recommend this pistol is its outstanding factory trigger. Kaniq pistols are famous for crisp, smooth triggers with a short reset that many competitors try to match with aftermarket upgrades. The Mate SFT also comes optics ready, includes aggressive slide serrations, and features an ergonomic grip that fits a wide range of hand sizes. In the US market, the Kaniq Mate SFT usually sells between $450 and $550, making it one of the best performance for price pistols dominating gun shops today. Number 8. FN-FNS9 Compact. Another 9mm that quietly dominates gun shop counters is the FN-FNS9 Compact. While some buyers walk in chasing the latest hype pistols, experienced shooters often point to this reliable compact handgun as one of the most underrated options available. Built by FN, a company known for military-grade firearms, the FNS9 Compact delivers durability, performance, and proven reliability that many defensive shooters trust. The FN-FNS9 Compact features a 3.6-inch barrel with an overall length of around 6.7 inches, giving it a strong balance between concealability and shootability. It weighs approximately 23.4 ounces unloaded, which helps manage recoil while still remaining comfortable for concealed carry. Chambered in 9mm, the standard magazine holds 12 rounds, and extended magazines can increase capacity to 17 rounds. What makes this pistol dominate gun shop recommendations is its rugged build quality and excellent ergonomics. The aggressive grip texture helps maintain control, while the interchangeable backstraps allow shooters to customize the grip for better comfort and accuracy. In the United States market, the FN-FNS9 Compact typically sells between $350 and $450, making it a strong value for a duty-grade defensive pistol. Number 7. Glock 19 Gen 5. When people talk about a 9mm pistol that truly dominates gun shops year after year, the Glock 19 Gen 5 almost always enters the conversation. Even in 2026, this handgun continues to be one of the most trusted and widely purchased pistols in the United States. Many shooters walk into a store looking for something new, but they often walk out with a Glock 19 because of its legendary reliability, simplicity, and proven defensive performance. The Glock 19 Gen 5 features a 4.02-inch barrel and an overall length of about 7.28 inches, giving it a perfect balance between compact carry and full-size shootability. The pistol weighs roughly 23.6 ounces unloaded, which helps manage recoil while still being comfortable for everyday carry. Chambered in 9mm, the standard magazine holds 15 rounds, and larger Glock magazines can increase capacity even further. What makes the Glock 19 Gen 5 dominate gun store sales is its reputation. The striker-fired system is simple, extremely durable, and easy to maintain. The Gen 5 model also includes an improved trigger, ambidextrous slide stop, and the Glock Marksman barrel for enhanced accuracy. In the United States market, the Glock 19 Gen 5 typically sells between $500 and $650, making it one of the most trusted defensive pistols available today. Number 6. HK-P30 SK. If you walk into many American gun shops looking for a compact defensive pistol with a premium reputation, the HK-P30 SK is a name that consistently comes up. While it may not always be the cheapest option in the display case, experienced shooters know why this pistol continues to dominate conversations. Built by Heckler & Koch, the P30 SK delivers the kind of durability, precision engineering, and reliability that serious firearm owners expect from a duty-grade handgun. The HK-P30 SK features a 3.27-inch barrel and an overall length of about 6.42 inches, making it compact enough for concealed carry while still providing excellent control during shooting. It weighs approximately 23.9 ounces unloaded, which helps reduce recoil and maintain stability during rapid follow-up shots. Chambered in 9mm, the standard magazine holds 10 rounds, while extended magazines can increase capacity to 13 or even 15 rounds. One of the biggest advantages of the P30 SK is its ergonomic grip system. The pistol includes interchangeable backstraps and side panels, allowing shooters to customize the grip to fit their hands perfectly. Combined with HK's renowned reliability, this makes the P30 SK a favorite among experienced carriers. In the United States market, the HK P30 SK typically sells between $650 and $750, depending on the configuration and included features. Number 5. Kel-Tec P15. If there's a pistol that surprises many buyers the moment they see the price and the capacity, it's the Kel-Tec P15. In recent years, this slim 9mm has started showing up in more gun shop displays across the United States, and many shooters quickly realize why it's gaining attention. The P15 proves that a lightweight concealed carry pistol can still offer impressive capacity and modern features without costing a fortune. The Kel-Tec P15 features a 4-inch barrel and an overall length of about 6.6 inches, giving it a compact profile that works well for concealed carry while still maintaining good shooting control. The pistol weighs roughly 14 ounces unloaded, making it one of the lightest double-stack 9mm pistols available. Chambered in 9mm, the standard magazine holds an impressive 15 rounds, which is remarkable for such a slim handgun. One of the standout features of the P15 is its hybrid design. It combines a polymer frame with an aluminum internal chassis for durability while keeping the weight extremely low. The pistol is also optics ready and includes fiber optic sights, features often found on more expensive handguns. In the United States market, the Kel-Tec P15 typically sells between $380 and $450, making it a surprising value that continues to catch buyers' attention in gun shops. Number 4. Kimber Micro 9-Point. If you walk into a gun shop looking for a compact 9mm that blends classic styling with modern defensive performance, the Kimber Micro 9 often grabs attention immediately. Unlike many polymer carry pistols dominating the market, this handgun brings a refined metal frame design that appeals to shooters who want something elegant yet reliable. Many buyers discover it on the display counter and quickly realize why it remains a popular concealed carry option. The Kimber Micro 9 features a 3.15-inch barrel barrel and an overall length of around 6.1 inches, making it compact enough for comfortable everyday concealed carry. The pistol weighs about 15.6 ounces unloaded thanks to its lightweight aluminum frame. Chambered in 9mm, the standard magazine holds 7 rounds, providing solid defensive capability for a pistol of this size. What makes the Kimber Micro 9 stand out is its 1911 style design. It includes a single action trigger, thumb safety, and excellent ergonomics that many shooters find extremely comfortable. The crisp trigger pull also helps improve accuracy during controlled shots. In the United States market, the Kimber Micro 9 typically sells between $600 and $750, depending on the specific model and finish. Number 3. Mossberg MC2C. When buyers walk into gun shops searching for a reliable yet affordable 9mm pistol, the Mossberg MC2C often surprises them. Mossberg is widely known for its shotguns, but this compact handgun has quietly built a strong reputation in the defensive pistol market. In 2026, more shooters are discovering that the MC2C delivers impressive performance and modern features at a price that makes it hard to ignore. The Mossberg MC2C features a 3.9-inch barrel and an overall length of about 7.1 inches, giving it the balance of a compact pistol that still shoots like a larger handgun. It weighs approximately 21 ounces unloaded, which helps reduce recoil while remaining comfortable for everyday carry. Chambered in 9mm, the standard flush magazine holds 13 rounds, while the extended magazine increases capacity to 15 rounds. One of the standout features of the MC2C is its slim grip profile, combined with Mossberg's aggressive yet comfortable texture. The pistol also includes clear steel sights and a smooth striker-fired trigger system that many shooters find easy to control. In the United States market, the Mossberg MC2C typically sells between $350 and $420, making it one of the value-packed pistols quietly dominating gun shop displays. Number 2. Staccato C2. If you walk into a gun shop and see the Staccato C2 sitting in the display case, you immediately know this is a different class of 9mm pistol. While the title talks about a $299 gun dominating shops, the Staccato C2 represents what many shooters eventually upgrade to after trying cheaper options. It's a premium handgun that delivers competition-level performance in a compact defensive package, which is why it keeps drawing attention from serious shooters across the United States. The Staccato C2 features a 3.9-inch barrel and an overall length of about 7.5 inches, giving it the balance of a compact pistol with the shootability of a full-size handgun. It weighs roughly 25 ounces unloaded thanks to its aluminum frame. Chambered in 9mm, the standard magazine holds 16 rounds, offering strong capacity for both carry and range use. One of the biggest reasons the Staccato C2 stands out is its 2011 style design. The crisp single-action trigger, exceptional accuracy, and smooth recoil impulse make it feel incredibly refined compared to many striker-fired pistols. In the United States market, the Staccato C2 typically sells between $2,200 and $2,600, placing it firmly in the premium performance category. Number 1. Stoeger STR9 Compact. If there's a pistol that truly fits the idea of an affordable 9mm dominating gun shop shelves, the Stoeger STR9 Compact deserves attention. Many buyers walk into stores expecting basic performance at a low price, but the STR9 Compact often surprises them with features and reliability that feel far above its cost. That's exactly why more shooters across the United States are starting to notice this underrated handgun. The Stoeger STR9 Compact features a 3.8-inch barrel and an overall length of about 7.2 inches, giving it a balanced size that works well for both concealed carry and range practice. The pistol weighs around 24 ounces unloaded, providing enough weight to control recoil without making the gun feel bulky. Chambered in 9mm, the standard magazine holds 13 rounds, with extended magazines available for higher capacity. One of the reasons the STR9 Compact keeps gaining popularity is its comfortable ergonomic grip and aggressive slide serrations that make handling easy. The striker-fired trigger system is simple, consistent, and reliable for defensive use. In the United States market, the Stoeger STR9 Compact typically sells between $280 and $320, which is why many shooters feel like they discovered a hidden deal the moment they see it in a gun shop display. Outro. Thanks for watching Gun Authority. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more handgun reviews and firearm breakdowns. Stay informed, stay responsible, and we'll see you in the next video here on Gun Authority.